Like I can get this thing really rocking. What if you had the ability to take a ride on top kayak anywhere you wanted to go? Break it out at the lake, do a little fishing, explore the shore a little bit, up and down some rivers, without having to worry about where to stack it on your rig, whether it's flapping around in the wind, you got your straps tight enough, where to store it when you get home, any of that. All right, so I'm Ted with Grub and Gravel, and the gang at NIPHEAN have got that covered a little bit. All right, so one of the first things you're going to notice is the giant case they give to you. It's a full backpack. It's got a strap for your waist and everything. Now, while this thing is 2/3 my size, you know, it's not massively heavy. I'm able to bring it down. I'm going to be able to bring it down to the beach. You might be able to take a light hike down to the water's edge. You're not going to be doing any distance hiking with this or loading this into a deep camp spot or anything like that. But great bag. Great straps, all padded, nice and padded in the back. So, first thing to come, this is an inflatable paddleboard, so it is going to come with its own pump. Second thing out of the bag is going to be their paddle situation. You can configure this paddleboard to be a couple of different ways. This one fits into here like this. Everything tightens down nicely, and then you're going to have one long paddleboard for if you're standing up, you'll be able to use this paddle to get yourself around. Now, if you're going to go sit down, you're going to go kayak mode. This plugs into the other side and gives you one long paddle, so that way you can paddle with both sides, you know, like a kayak paddle. And something about these paddles here. Now, these are beautiful. I don't know if you can see just from the leaning it in there, but this is a carbon fiber. My experience with it on the little lakes I've been to in Colorado, it floats very well. Although it is an odd shaped paddle itself, plenty of thrust out of this, great propulsion, able to steer very well. This is actually the top of the handle. I haven't used this at all yet. For the stand-up paddleboard, this will be your Hancock, like I said. So if you're paddling, standing up, it hooks into that piece right there. No problem. All right, next, just to get it out of the way, we have the paddleboard itself. She is extremely sandy from the last joint I was at. Actually, still a little bit damp. But no problem. That's all the bigger this paddleboard is. You know, a lot of it's just accessories in this bag, but that carries very, very slim. Some of the other accessories in the bag, like I mentioned, the chair. Now, you can purchase this chair alone. It's very, very big seller. Buying this chair alone, like I said, it's probably one of the best inflatable stand-up paddleboard seats on the market. Now, this is one of the things that makes it great for sitting down. This is a stirrup, so you're going to be able to put your feet up against this rather than just letting them flop loose all in front of you on the paddleboard. Pretty standard little kit. You're going to get this with any kind of paddleboard you buy. It's got the the thing to take the valve off. It actually has a couple of patches inside of here. God forbid anything should happen to this, you'll be able to fix it right up. A great instruction manual that's going to walk you through how to set it up, what each little item is for. There is going to be a cup holder. This is going to be a leash. This is going to hook to the back of your boat, and it's going to hook to your ankle. That way, if you go overboard, your paddleboard, your boat doesn't go cruising off and leave you too drowned in the water. Okay, so usually on a regular paddleboard, you're going to get these two main fins, right? Well, this is going to keep you moving straight through the water. One of the things that's going to make this, I mentioned earlier, the stability on this thing. I don't know if there's a more stable platform I've ever been on as far as stand-up paddleboards go. And the secret to that is this right here. Look at this fin. So this fin is going to go underwater on the bottom of your boat, and it is going to resist your board rocking from side to side. All right, I got her all inflated, backed her out a little bit so that you could see the size of this. Now, you're talking 12 foot 6 inches long. Now, that's one of the biggest on the market. 33 inches wide. You have to really get into like specialty paddleboards, fat guy paddleboards, to get anything much wider than that. And then you're talking about 6 inches thick. Now, I've got this baby at about 14 pounds. Extremely beautiful reinforced D-rings that are on this that have a lot of bungee cord. You could hook in a wet bag, a cooler, your shoes, anything like that. And along the side, you're going to have a few more D-rings here. This is where your seat is going to hook into. Also, along with those D-rings are little Velcro straps, and this is where you're going to put your paddle if you just want to store it away for a little while. Two of those. Great carry handle up here up at the back. Like I said, it has got a giant D-ring on it, because what you're going to do is you're going to take this leash here and you're going to put this side on the paddleboard itself, and you're going to take this right here, little Velcro strip, and you're going to put this around your ankle. Great handle on this side. This is how you're going to be able to pick it up and just carry it. Right here in the front is where the screw and the little mounting bracket for your cup is going to be. On either side of it here are multi-use mounts. Now, they make attachments that are going to go on here that are going to hold a variety of things. Largely, the one you're going to find the most is a fishing rod holder. And then up at the front here, another set of bungees, another handle in case anybody's like tandem carrying anything like that. And then up here is going to be like a GoPro action camera mount, so you can capture all the action of your adventures out on the water. All right, pro tip on this is going to be to mount your top accessories first, then flip it over and put your fins on it. Let's just start easy with the basic things. So like I told you, it's going to have a stirrup. That's going to be for your feet. You're just going to be able to use that to put your feet against. That's going to clip on that side there. Clip right into that side there. Whether or not you have a paddleboard already and are just looking to turn it into a little boat like this chair, the NIPHEAN chair, inflatable, man, this thing is rock hard. Probably one of the best seats, like I said, on the market. Because it's got a stiff bottom and a hard back, it only has one set of straps. So you set that to the back, strap your little straps in here. Then it's going to push all the way to the back. The straps are adjustable on either side. You want to get it back a little bit, or you want to get it a little closer to your stirrups. However you want to do it. All right, like I had mentioned before, you are going to get a couple varieties of how you want to work the fin situation. Now, if you're in shallow water, you're going to be able to use this set of fins right here. It's going to be your little front runner fin, your little rudder, and this is going to be your rear fin. Now, you're in deeper water, you're a heavy dude, you got a little chop going on, maybe you're just going to be doing a lot of things where you're going to be getting up and down or moving around on the boat and you want that little extra stability, you can change from this fin to this fin right here. Now, mind you, you're going to have to get in this deep of water before you're going to be able to put this boat down. So us today, just for stability purposes, I'm a big cat. I'm making a lot of sudden moves on this thing. We are going to load up the giant fin. It just slides into place. There's a little pin right here. That's going to lock her right into position. We're going to head up to the back. We'll put another fin on back here. They just bang into place. Little clip holds them. Now you're ready to go. All right, so looks like we got here. We are in barely calf deep water, and that's got us in enough water to put that little fin down and have no problem out here. Like I said, you can see I got a little camera mounted to the front, and the stability on this thing is pretty good with that little deal rocking on the inside. I mean, so like I had mentioned before, plenty of stability on this to where if you're just interested in being on your knees, or maybe you're fully getting up, you're fine. But my preferred method is going to be sitting down in this beautiful chair I got, slide myself back in there. This chair is at the right position to keep your front end up off the ground just a little bit. What they've done is they've made this boat really long and pointy so that it cuts through the water really nice. Carbon fiber paddle is a little bit warm, I'm going to tell you, because it's been sitting out in the sun here like this. But you can see how easily, even with over 200 pounds, that this boat is getting up and moving pretty fast. I mean, I can show you how far away from the shore we already are. And super easy, even with that big fin on the bottom for stability, super easy to change directions. You can see I'm having no problem getting it to turn. Stability is beautiful. Like, I can get this thing really rocking. Let's see, we could just go straight over to the edge. I can't get it to even leaning my weight over this edge like this. I can't get it really to go. All right, look. So if you're in the market for a paddleboard, or what I'm calling a ride on top kayak, essentially, that's got great stability. It's made for adults, not for little kids. This thing is huge, super stable. If you're into checking this out, I'm going to leave a link for my best price in the description. Now, these dudes have a lot of boards. You might be able to get something a little skinnier, a little smaller, maybe a couple less features. You can kind of pick and choose, set your price point. This is going to be the big dog, the Pro, full of stability, full of accessories, and ready to go on your adventure. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy.